Okay, and welcome back to Projects Wellington. Today we're refurbishing the ball bars on the Range Rover Overfinch. So first job we're going to do is remove this because these are rusted completely on now. So we're going to cut these off with a grinder and then tidy all these up. They're just spinning in the spot, so what we need to do is put some new screws in, but I'll show you how to do that in a sec. And there you go, that's off now. So next job is to get the other one off. Okay, so we've now pulled those off. So now we've got to do is get this out. It's probably fallen in there. And the same with this one, we'll tap that. There you go. So these are had it. So what we need to do is drill out those ones.
There you go, and the other one, and there you go. So they're now done. Next
Job is we got to put these in. So we got these ones here, they're just the right size. So we need 4 of those. The best way to do this is by placing them inside the hole. Like so. Then get your tool here and screw from the shaft to get it tight, and then put it into the hole and then squeeze it, and what that does is pulls it tight into that hole, and then you can unscrew. Put it in the hole. Squeeze, and there you go, it's all done.
Those two done, take this one out.
And there you go, job's done. Okay, so we've just sprayed these, they're looking good. I tidied the rust off first, but it's looking good, and I use this metal paint with rust protection so it'll stop them rusting anymore. And then over here we've finished doing the new style rivets, and we got our bolts and we've got some washers, so they just go into there once we have those fixed.